Kira, 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 it's okay. It's Halloween. It's Halloween, you know. They will come. Kira, they will come. They will ring the bell. You don't need to open the door if you don't like it. It's okay. Just stay silent. Just stay silent. Hey. Kira. Okay. Kira. Come. Come here. Stop. No. Kira, listen. If you keep barking, they're gonna know that you're in the house. Yeah. If you are in the house, no. You know what? You have to give them the candy. If you keep barking, you have to give them the candy because it's Halloween. So, you have to stay silent. No. Kira. No.